Racing just is started. We have Witness in Manila. Break quickly to start. Mayor Bulaklakin. And on the outside comes Open Class. Open Sluice down on the inside. Then comes Miss Delicious. Good job. Pambihira. Nevada's Dream comes next. And then followed over by Mirabal. While Royal McCoy is the early trailer. Back to the leader. We have Witness in Manila by about 3 lengths. Opens Lewin second. Mayor Bulaklakin alongside third. Then followed over by Open Class. Pambihira. Good job, Miss Delicious. Then comes Nevada's Dreams racing. Second last is Mirabal. While Royal McCoy is still racing in last. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Witness in Manila by about half length. About to throw the challenge now on the outside is Open Slew. We have Open Slew and Witness in Manila are fighting out for the lead. Open Class is racing in third. Good job comes next. Mayor Bulaklakin as they swing for home. The lead now belongs to Open Slew. Down on the inside comes Witness in Manila with about 100 meters of the race. We have Open Slew by about 2 lengths, followed by Witness in Manila, and finally it's Open Slew. Witness in Manila, then comes Open Class. Good job.
Sino yung pang-anim?